What's up, everybody? It's your boy Mojo, aka Sugar Daddy, and today we are here with a brand new video with the sneaker that has been with me for past 2 months, and I've been wearing them every day. The Comet Alter Waldorf. These right here are Alter Waldorf by Comet, our very own homegrown Indian brand. They're pretty minimalistic and very much wearable. The upper is synthetic leather with a microfiber underlay plus a lightweight EVA sole. They call it understated luxury, and it works. But 2 months of intense wear and they are dirty. The brand says a damp cloth with a swipe is all it takes. But does it? Let's check it out. So let's use the left shoe and clean it with the damp towel. As the brand says, a damp towel and a swipe is all it takes. Let's clean it. The towel is cleaning it up, but it cannot really finish off the job. A bit clean, not like fully clean. The uppers kind of look clean. The laces are not clean. Mids के कुछ parts हैं which is getting difficult to clean it just with the damp towel, and even the outsoles. And now we are going to compare it with our standard kit, and we are going to use the right shoe. And just to let you know, our standard kit comes with a 100 ml solution bottle, an all-purpose brush, and a microfiber towel just to remove all that dust. I will use the SHOEGR collapsible bowl and cleaning mat to keep things tidy. First of all, we will be removing the laces. So let's remove the laces. To work on the shoe more easily, we will insert our Shape It as well. The only purpose to use Shape It is so that we can apply the right amount of pressure on the toe and other places. Why we are using the standard kit? Standard kit comes with an all-purpose brush, and हमारा all-purpose brush in tight के shoes पे perfect है. Plus the all-purpose brush comes with the right amount of thickness. It is suitable for mids and outsoles too. So let's get into it and start the cleaning process. We got our all-purpose brush, and we're gonna do some dry cleaning first. Alright, we are done with the dry cleaning. Okay, now we are going to need some water. We got some water and we have the bowl. Let's pour some nice water. Now we are going to use the SHOEGR Clean and put down some. We are ready. Now all we gotta do is dip the brush and start working on the shoe. We are going to start with the uppers, then to the mids, and then we're going to go to the outsoles. So let's get it down. The uppers are looking magnificent. Wow, the color is coming up. All right, let's work on the mids now. We're gonna use the same brush. You want to see the difference? Look at the midsoles, and now look at the midsoles. So, and now let's work on this side, just for like what, seconds? Few seconds only. Let's go for the outsoles. We did an awesome job. Also, I think wet towel, damp towel ke muqable mein, we took little more time, but more time gives you better result. All right. And this is how the damp cloth, and even just like we were unable to clean the laces, we will clean this shoelace we'll just keep it here, by taking this and dropping this inside the bowl. Let's go. थोड़ा सा rinse करेंगे so that कि जो जमी हुई है मिट्टी वो निकल जाए. Now we will keep this aside and use the towel to remove the foam. Look at the difference. They look wonderful. I guess the standard kit took few minutes extra than the damp towel. If you put in more work, you get some better results. So we are finally done. You can see the comparison right here. The left shoe with the damp towel, the right shoe with the standard kit. If you know any other homegrown sneaker brand that you want us to check out, then drop a comment or DM us and we would get it done. And if you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more content like this. Till then, never forget to love your shoes. Let's go!